Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up your Pocket Option account. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Pocket Option. After that, open the official website and then make sure that you are in the registration section. Here, you can try signing up by entering the required information or just use the platforms present below in order to create an account. Once signed in, you will be redirected to the website's homepage. Here, click on the profile icon at top right corner and a drop-down menu will open up. Simply access the profile section and you will be asked to verify your account. Now, click on the confirm email address and then go to the mail sent by Pocket option. After that, enter the following required details and also select your region. Here, you just need to select the verification document and then select Continue on Phone from this pop-up. Now you just need to scan this QR code and then verify the selected document. Once you have scanned it, you will be prompted to verify through your face. Now that all of the fields are filled, tap on this Next button and then select Continue on this device button on your PC. You can see that the account has been successfully created and verified. So that's basically how you can set up your Pocket Option account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.